Hi, today we are discussing different tasks. We are having tasks in IICS. Here we do have different types of tasks that are mapping tasks, which is used to process the data based on data flow logic defined in a mapping. We already seen in some mappings in the mapping task we usually see, and we do have synchronization task. The synchronization task is synchronize the data between a source and target to integrate applications and databases and files. Masking task, so which is a mask source data and create data subset of source data in target. So replication task, which is a copy data from Salesforce or database sources to database or file target. So Power Center task, it imports a Power Center workflow, so you can run it as a cloud data integration task. In the Power Center task, we have only if we have one session only, then it works. More than one session, it will not work now. Dynamic mapping task, which configure and run multiple data pipeline jobs from one mapping. So data transfer task. So move data from a source to target with some simple filters. So we see first the task is replication task now. We go to replication task. So a replication task is a materialized view. We can reflect the data, so we can replicate the data to backup offline reporting. So how can I replicate the tables? So we can we do have all the, if suppose in the source we are having 100 tables, we replicate, we have to do map manually in the mapping task, but here by using a replication task we can do one time any number of tables to target. So we can go with the incremental load and a full load. Okay, may here one question arises: how can I replicate the data from one database to another database? So here we are having HR schema tables to core schema. We will replicate in the coming example. We see. Uh, okay, how do we replicate the data we see here? Go to replication task and click on create. So we give the replication task name RT underscore. We take source as employee and department. Two tables I will replicate to our target table. Here we do have target table or not, we can create also by using replication task in the target table. So we can create by using replication task, we can create the structure also. Here we see, so the location we have to give the file location description. So here we source connection we have to give, and all objects means whatever the source tables are there, we can do all objects replicate, or we can do some objects, or we can exclude the objects also. So we can do two objects here. I'm taking here employee and target tables, emp, and employee and department, two target tables, departments. I will select two. Okay, I selected two here, and here we are having, if an error occurs while processing an object, cancel processing the remaining objects. So these are two radio buttons are there. We can select any one here. Continue processing of the remaining objects. We process the remaining objects. We cancel the processing when the error is occurred. Okay, click on next and go to target, and we have to select the target here. uh, right click underscore target. I am creating a table. This is rt, uh, replication task. I give rt here, rt colon, enable target bulk load. I am not enabling here. uh, okay, and incremental load after initialization. These are the These are disabled because which is trial version. That's why it is disabled. So commit row size. We can commit the row size here. We can give okay, and click on next. So exclude fields. Here we can exclude the fields also. If see, I don't want in the employees table, I don't want manager ID. So I can exclude the field also. Click on OK. If you want to exclude the fields from department tables also, we can do like this. We can select the departments. Here also I don't want manager ID. Just I excluded. These options are available in the replication task. Okay, click on next. So we can give the filter also, data filters. So data filters, click on new. We can give the filter, and we select the object employees and select the field. Here I am giving here commission PCT. Commission PCT is not null. So when commission PCT is not null, so we send the records of employee table to our target RT. We are creating a replication task employee. Na? So here two tables will create RT underscore employees and RT underscore departments. Okay, we see in the Oracle. First, we have to start this one. In the meanwhile, it will next. We are giving here filter also, and go click on next. If you want to give schedules also, you can give schedules by clicking here, and you can create your if it's already there any schedule, we can enable this one. If you want to click create your new schedule, you can create new schedule. Okay. And email notification options are there. Use the default email notification options for my organization, or use any custom notification. Like this you're having execution mode is we are giving standard mode. Here we are having two pre-processor commands and post-processing commands also. So here maximum number of log files, 10 log files will create for this replication task. Click on finish and saved successfully. I am going to run this replication task. Now we see here, go to core schema. The core I am say replicating both employee as well as department. We see here after finishing this one. Mm, After finishing automatically it will create two tables in our core schema. Earlier we don't have any tables like RT underscore employees and RT underscore departments. So first time it loads one to one load, and so other after that we can do incremental loading by using scheduling. Here 62 rows processed, and we see here. Okay, so I'm giving that employee is not null of 35, and it is 27 records from this. Okay, we see here in the target table. Select star from RT underscore already it is created. Let's look here RT underscore employees. So here only commission PCT is not really given. So like that we will get the data from the source without doing any mapping. By using replication task, we are importing we are doing bulk load RT underscore departments. Now we see here. Okay, like this it will. So we are excluded here manager ID in the our mapping our replication task. Here manager ID will not come. Like that we will create replication task. Okay, replication task is incremental load. We are having all. Okay, this is about replication task. Please subscribe and like for more Informatica, intelligent cloud services and Power Center. Okay, thank you very much.